Okay, so today we'll discuss after vent normal cut. Okay, so first we create here one line, this type of line. Okay, and then exit, and then sheet metal here, base flange. Suppose select here. So now this one is base flange created here, and suppose here give the radius this one. Okay, so suppose radius. Okay, so suppose this one is the radius increases here, then we can create here, suppose extrude cut. Okay, so suppose choose here, this one is normal to. Okay, select this surface and then normal to, and now we can create here one sketch and then exit. So now after that we can create sheet metal here, extrude cut. So suppose choose here, so that is the extrude cut here. Okay, and then suppose right here. Okay, so that is extrude cut, simple extrude cut here. Okay, don't use normal cut here. Okay, don't use normal cut here. So now we can, if suppose this one is flat, so now this one is look like this one is not normally cutting. Okay, this one is look like this one is angular. So after that we can create here normal cut and suppose choose here. So now this one is normally cutting here and write it here. So now this one is normal cut. Okay, if suppose now flat pattern. Okay, so now this one is totally vertical. This one is totally vertical, we can create. Okay, so that is the normal cutting here. Okay, next one is unfold. Okay, unfold. Suppose choose here. Suppose we can create a new object. Suppose here we can create one normal to, and then go to the sketch here. Okay, then exit, and then here sheet metal, base flange. Suppose select here and then write it. Okay, so now one base flange created here, and then here go to the edge flange option and choose here. So now this is the edge flange, and default radius we can create. Suppose this one is 3 millimeter. Okay, so now this one is 3 millimeter created here, and then unfold here. Suppose select this face and suppose choose this one. Okay, choose this one and then here write it here. So now this one is unfold. Okay, so now flat sheet created here. Okay, then after that we can create fold here. Okay, fold. Suppose select here and suppose select this one and then write it. So now this one is folded. Okay, so now this one is folded. After that we can create here flatten. Okay, so now this one is flatten. Okay, flat pattern we can create here. So now this one is flatten option. Okay, okay, so after that we can create insert bend, rip and no bend. So suppose create here one rectangle and exit, then go to the features option and then extrude it. Okay, so now this one is extrude, we can create, and then here shell. Suppose select this surface. So now this one is shell. Okay, in everywhere suppose give 2 millimeter. So now this one is 2 millimeter shell created here. Okay, so after that go to the sheet metal option and choose here insert bend. Okay, choose here insert bend. Suppose select here. Okay, and then go to rip parameter here. So now suppose choose here this one, here choose here this one, here choose here this one, and here choose here this one. Okay, so now we can create here. Okay, so now this one is look like this. Okay, so that is insert bend we can create. If suppose you can choose here no bend, so now this one is no bend option. Okay, this one is no bend means there have no bend. Okay, then also exit. So now this one is look like this. And if you create here, suppose rip in another features we can create. If suppose this one is flat, so now this one is flat pattern we can create. So that is flatten. Okay, so that is flatten. Next one is suppose rip. If suppose choose here, create here one sketch, then go to the extrude option. Okay, then suppose shell it. So now this one is 10 millimeter, so 10 millimeter shell, and then go to the sheet metal option and then rip. Suppose choose here and suppose give dimension and then write it. So now this one is rip. Okay, so now this one is rip, that is rip option. So in this video there are normal cut, unfold, fold, flatten, insert bend, rip, and no bend. So everyone practice as per your time. Okay. Okay.